This guys is a Ford Thunderbird. Not knowing which one. Oh, look at these wheel caps. Beautiful. It's from 1965. I must say that these cars from the United States of America of that period, they are looking not as old in my opinion. Also the typical design back of that time for the United States, but yeah, beautiful guys, beautiful. So guys, this is also a wonderful Volkswagen Beetle Cabriolet. And here guys, also wonderful. Dimi from Youngster Oldtimer, you probably can read what's standing there. For me it's something I cannot read. Yapaya Aikai Ekkata Stastaisis, whatever. I cannot read the Greek letters, so probably I was also just getting some stuff here mixed together with Cyrillic, because I can read Cyrillic, but well guys, I cannot understand it. I've just only taught it to myself back in school. I was finding a little information about the alphabet, and then I was just learning it, but I didn't learn about Greek. Whatever. Maybe that's your turn. Ah, here's the wonderful Convertible. It's in 1300. Oh, that's interesting speedometer. It's going up to 200, but it's not a normal one. So here, see me. Oh, that's a beautiful Mustang Mach E. Mach 1, I mean. Mach E is the electric one. Beautiful guys, beautiful. So guys, this here is a Talbot-Matra Murena. This was a little bit wider and it has a different hood here, usually it's a window. Indianapolis steering wheel. And guys, this is a Mercedes-Benz 170 DS, the so-called first generation of the E-Class from Mercedes-Benz. And it came out 70 years ago, guys. 70 years. That's a beautiful example. Oh, it's not an DS, it's an SD. Interesting. And the license plate there, this is one from, a good question. I want to say it's from Austria, but I'm not sure now. That could be A for Austria and W for Wien, Vienna, maybe. Also really beautiful, guys. This guys is a Borgward Isabella Coupe from 1959. Well, standing there on a data sheet, so in case you're wondering from where I'm knowing that. Personally, I'm thinking that, or not thinking, I'm I'm not thinking, haha. No, I mean, personally, I must say that I like more the sedan, like the one that I was seeing in Sindelfingen, from the guy who is also living in my town. I mean, no offense, I mean, this is the Coupe is also really a beautiful car. Absolutely beautiful. But this is just a little bit, well, too much for me. I'm thinking the normal sedan or saloon, it's just looking better in my opinion, but it's just my personal opinion, my personal taste. Wonderful Ford Capri. I think I've seen this one also this year at the Ford Capri meeting in my town. The background you can hear the V8 engine of this year. So this year, guys, is also one of them, but probably the pre-facelift. So this year it's Ford Mustang, but this is the convertible. Now I forgot already what type it is. Is it the earlier one or the later one? I've totally forgotten about that, but well, it's just one thing how you can identify the year of these Mustangs. Just about this chrome panel. Beautiful pagode. And here's a wonderful W126. Loving this color, but the color, well, the clear coat is broken at the hood, but otherwise the car is really looking amazing. Well, the grill also has some stuff, but yeah, thinking the grill is something you can clean. Beautiful car. And here's the pagode. This L Roadster, guys. Here's a wonderful black VW 1302L. I cannot remember that I've ever seen this generation in black. It has a red interior. It's of course looking amazing. Beautiful. This guy is a wonderful Audi 100 C1, so the first generation of the C series from Audi. Nowadays the Audi A6, but this here is the 100, first generation, and this is the 100S Coupe. Loving these wheel caps. This one is from 1974, guys.
The video man.
Jawohl. Beautiful. And here, guys, something with a greeting to Tip Top Motors. This is really a rare sight here, maybe also in UK. This guy here is a Bradley. Never heard about that before. This radio, and here's all the other stuff. Flash horn, wiper beam. And you better wear a helmet because, well, if this thing is going down the road, then yeah, you better have something on your head. So it's like a racing car. Also really interesting. right-hand drive. Oh, look at this small thing here. So here Bradley. Never seen before. Really never seen before. This guys here is a beautiful Opel Rekord 1700L. The L will most likely stand for Luxus, so for the chrome trim I would say. Beautiful model. I'm thinking it's called the Model D. So the fourth generation of the Opel Rekord. Also really a beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful. And here also a small overview about everything what's standing there. Volkswagen Kombi. There was also a Rolls-Royce, not sure if it's still there. I cannot see it anymore. Well, some cars already left. This is a beautiful 2002. BMW O2 series, and also still looking very original. But it's not the only one, because here we have one more. This here is another 2002. It's the Turbo, and it was really like this with the lettering in, so the mirrored lettering. So the people were knowing when this car is coming and looking into the mirror that, oh, this is the Turbo. So see here, Turbo, guys. (2002) Turbo. Absolutely amazing looking car. If I'm not mistaken, then this must be an MGB GT, not the GT. GT was the coupe, and then it's the MGB Roadster. It still has the chrome bumpers, so it wasn't the rubber duck. Also a beautiful car. Some years ago they were still pretty cheap, but nowadays no more. Well, I was interested in one a few years ago, but this was still pre-Corona. Then you could get them for, I'm thinking it was 8,000 euros, but now, as far as I can remember, they are already in the 5 digits. Five? I mean 6. And yes guys, it's an MGB. So here you can maybe see it, maybe not. Oh guys, it's starting to rain now, but anyway, here we have a wonderful Citroën CX. Beautiful car. Okay, and what you can hear here is the Jaguar Sovereign that is leaving now.